Hello, welcome to Little Pine Education presents Toad Saves the King, the best phonics stories, level B, number 30. Take a look at the image. Predict, when and where do you think this story happens? First, let's take a look at the vowel teams for long O, OA and OW. Toad, stone, that's a silent E, moat, crow, oak, show, Joan, boat, float, coat, glow, grow, bow, croak. Challenge words: arrow, torch, light, loud. Toad sat on a stone by the moat. "Croak," he said. "I must keep the king safe." Crow flew by and said, "Hey, Toad, come with me to the oak tree. I will show you my nest." "No, thanks," said Toad. "I must keep the king safe." Then Toad saw his friend Joan row up in a boat. "Hey, Toad," said Joan, "do you want to float in my boat?" "No, thanks," said Toad. "I must keep the king safe." Next, Goat came over to see Toad. "Hey, Toad," said Goat, "let me show you an old coat. I will go and eat it." "No, thanks," said Toad. "I must keep the king safe." Toad saw a glow on the hill. It began to grow. There was a man with a bow and arrow. The arrow was on fire. He gave a loud croak to warn the king. Croak, croak. He did his job. He kept the king safe. Thank you, Toad. That's the end of another Little Pine Education story. If you would like to purchase a printed copy of this, go to Little Pine Education on TPT, Teachers Pay Teachers, for printable materials. Thanks so much. See you next time.